Hello everyone, today we'll show you how to use this powerful V403 PTZ camera to improve your meeting and video calling experience. First, let us understand the basic parts of a V403 PTZ conference camera. This is the lens, which can be rotated and tilted to capture different views. There's also a remote control, which is your operations center for controlling the camera's various functions. Equipped with 2 microphones, it can pick up sounds within 5 meters in the conference room. Next, make sure the PTZ camera is connected to a power source and device. Connect V403 to a power source using the included power adapter. Then connect it to your device using the USB cable. This way the V403 PTZ camera can communicate with your conferencing software. Now, let us experience the smart tracking of V403 using the buttons on the remote. You can easily rotate and tilt the camera to ensure every corner of the conference room is captured. Well, that is a simple tutorial on how to use our PTZ conference camera. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact us.